In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team members in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to the ClickUp website. You'll land on the sign-in page. This is where you access your workspace, so make sure you're logging into the correct account that's connected to your team. Next, choose Continue with Google if that's how you normally sign in. This is ClickUp's single sign-on option, and it's the quickest way in if your organization uses Google. If you usually sign in a different way, that's fine. Just use your standard method. The goal here is simply to get into your account. When Google prompts you, select the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one your ClickUp workspace is tied to. You may be asked to confirm your identity depending on your security settings, so complete that as needed. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace name there. Click that workspace name. This opens the workspace menu so you can access key settings and ensure you're managing the right team, especially if you're part of more than one workspace. From that menu, click People. This takes you to the central place where you can see everyone in your workspace. Here you'll find a list of all members along with their current roles. Use this view to quickly audit who has access, who's active, and how your team is structured. If your list is long, take a moment to scan for the people you want to manage. Some accounts also offer search or filters, which can help you locate specific users faster. To update someone's role, find them in the list and look at the role column. Click the drop-down in that column to see the available role options. The choices you see will depend on your own permissions, but commonly include roles like admin, member, or guest. Admins can configure settings and manage people. Members typically collaborate with full project access, and guests are best for limited, external access. Choose the role that matches what the person needs to do. Changes usually apply immediately, so be thoughtful. Upgrading a role grants more permissions, and downgrading may limit what that person can view or edit. A quick tip: if you don't see the option to change roles, you may need higher permissions in the workspace. In that case, contact a workspace owner or an admin to make the update for you. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your workspace settings, reviewed your team, and adjusted roles right from the People section. This simple workflow helps you keep access clean, secure, and aligned with how your team works.